Namaste children, I welcome you all in today's class. In the previous session, we have learned about application of trigonometry, where we have discussed the basic concept that are related to height and distances, and also solved problems involving angle of elevation. Now I want to check whether you have learned the previous class portion or not by asking few questions. The first question is, what type of triangle is used to calculate the height and distances? Yeah, very good. Right angled triangle. So we can use only right angled triangle to calculate the height and distances. Which device is used to measure the angle of elevation and angle of depression? Yeah, well said. That is clinometer. Next, when the height of the building is given and the distance from the foot of the building is given, then which trigonometric ratio is used to find the angle of elevation? Yeah, very good. That is tan theta. So we use the ratio tan theta. Okay. Now let's move on the topic. In today's session, we are going to learn about how to solve the problem when angle of depressions are given, and also solve problems when angle of elevation and angle of depressions are given. As you know very well what is meant by angle of depressions and angle of elevation. From this horizontal level, suppose I am looking up, then the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight, that is the direction in which I am looking, is called angle of elevation. Suppose the horizontal level, if I am looking down, then the angle between the horizontal line and the line of sight which is going down is called angle of depression. So in angle of elevation, we raise our head and look at the object. In angle of depression, we lower our head and look the object. That is, we looking down. Okay. So the angle of elevation and the angle of depressions are always taken from the horizontal level. Now let's see this diagram. Here x represent angle of depression and y represent angle of elevation. Here both x and y have the same measure, since the bottom and the top lines are parallel and this line is a transversal. So x and y forms interior alternate angles. So we know the interior alternate angles are equal. So angle x is equal to angle y. That is, angle of depression is equal to angle of elevation when they becomes alternate interior angles. Now let's solve problems involving angle of depressions. Consider the situation. Suppose a man is standing at the top of the tower. He is looking the car on the ground. Then the angle of depression is from the top of the tower to the car is given 30 degree. Then what is the distance of the car from the foot of the tower? So that's our question. Now see how to solve this. So now remember, what is the first important thing to do? Yes, very good. Draw a diagram. That is very important. So here I first draw a diagram. So the question is, a man is standing at the top of a tower. So there is a tower, PQ. So PQ is the tower. What is the height of the tower? It is given by 50 root 3 meter. So PQ is equal to 50 root 3 meter. Then a car is on the ground. So we take a point R, which is the position of the car. So R is the position of the car. Now join the horizontal level, that is the ground level. Now the angle of depression is given 30 degree. So from P the man look the car. So P is the point of observation. So from P draw a horizontal line. From P draw a horizontal line. We mark this as X. So PX is parallel to RQ. Now join the line of sight. So P is the point of observation and he looking the car. Then this angle is 30 degree. That is, the angle of depression is 30 degree. Angle XPR is 30 degree. So now XP is parallel to RQ and PR is the transversal. So by interior alternate angle, angle R is also 30 degree. Now we get the right angled triangle with right angle is at Q. Since the tower is standing vertically on the ground, so angle Q is right 90 degree. First write the given values. What is given? So given PQ is equal to 50 root 3 is the height of the tower. Also from the diagram, the angle XPR is equal to angle PRQ is equal to 30 degree. Now we get the right angle triangle PQR. Let's consider it. So in right angled triangle PQR, here what is given? The opposite side of angle theta is given. We need to find the distance of the car from the foot of the tower. So we take the distance RQ as X. So let RQ is equal to X. So in the diagram, opposite side is given. We need to find the adjacent side. So which trigonometric ratio will be used? Yes, correct. We have used tan theta. So tan, here what is theta? Theta is given 30 degree. So tan 30 degree, that is PQ by RQ. What is PQ? Yes, PQ is the opposite side. What is RQ? RQ is the adjacent side. Then substitute the values. What is the value of tan 30 degree? Yes, that is correct. That is 1 by root 3. PQ. PQ is we taken as 50 root 3 meter. So 50 root 3 and RQ is X. Then substitute. Then cross multiply. So we get X equal to 50 root 3 into root 3. It will give 50 into, what is root 3 into root 3? Yes, that is 3. So 50 into 3 means the answer is 150 meter. So X equal to 150 meter. What is X represent? X represent the distance between the car and the foot of the tower. Therefore, the distance of the car from the foot of the tower is what is the answer? Yes, this is 150 meter. So that is the answer. Let's see the next question. A man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. The boat makes an angle of depression of 60 degree with the man's side when at a distance of 200 meter away from the tower. After 10 seconds, the angle of depression becomes 45 degree. So the angle of depression decreases from 60 degree to 45 degree. The question is, what is the approximate speed of the boat in kilometer per hour, assuming that it is sailing in still water? So first understand the question and the keywords. So first we draw a diagram to visualize the given question by drawing a diagram. So a man is watching a boat speeding away from the top of a tower. So the man is at the top of a tower. So there is a tower AB. The man is at the top of the tower. He is watching a boat. So we take the position of the boat is C. So A is the point of observation and C is the position of the boat. Then join CB, that is water level. So the man is looking down. So the angle of depression when it is observed from A is given 60 degree. So from A, draw a horizontal line. So from the point of observation, draw a horizontal line. Mark this as X. Then join the line of sight. So this angle is given by 60 degree. Now XA is parallel to CB. So by interior alternate angle, angle C is also 60 degree. Next, also given the boat is 200 meter away from the tower. That is, the distance BC is 200 meter. Next, what is given in the question? Yes. After 10 seconds, the angle of depression becomes 45 degrees. So, the angle of depression decreases from 60 degree to 45 degree. That is, therefore, the boat must move away from the tower. So, we take D as the position of the boat after 10 seconds. So, the boat is move away from the tower. So, D is the position of the boat after 10 seconds. Now, join the line of sight. So, this angle is 45 degree. So, by interior alternate angles, angle D is also 45 degree. So, in trigonometric, first we look at the right angle triangle. So, what are the right angle triangles here? Yes, there are two right angle triangles. One is triangle ABC. Here B is 90 degree, which makes, that is, the tower makes 90 degree with the water level. Also, there another one triangle is ABD. This is also a right angle triangle. So, first we consider the right angle triangle ABC. So, in right angle triangle ABC, here also the degree, that is, the angle is given 60 degree and the adjacent sides of the angle 60 degree is given. We need to find the opposite side. So, we can use the ratio tan. So, tan theta. What is theta? Theta is 60 degree. So, tan 60 degree is equal to, what is the formula for tan theta? Yes, that is opposite side by adjacent side. So, from the diagram, the opposite side is AB, the adjacent side is BC. Then substitute the values. What is the value of tan 60? Yes, very good, that is root 3. This is equal to AB by BC. What is BC? Yes, BC is 200. Then cross multiply, we get AB is equal to 200 into root 3. This is equation 1. We take this as equation 1. Next, consider the next right angle triangle. What is the other right angle triangle here? Yes, ABD. So, in right angle triangle, ABD, use that ratio tan. So, tan theta, what is theta? 45 degree. So, tan 45 degree is equal to opposite side by adjacent side, that is AB by BC. AB, that is opposite side of 45 degree and adjacent side is BD. Then what is tan 45? Yes, very good, it is equal to 1. So, tan 45 is 1, then AB by BD. BD is nothing but CD plus BC. So, BC is 200. So, BD is 200 plus CD. 200 plus CD. Cross multiply. So, AB is equal to 200 plus CD. Take this as equation 2. Now, compare equation 1 and 2. In equation 1 and 2, the left hand sides are equal. So, equating the right hand side. So, we get from equation 1 and 2, from equation 1 and 2, 200 plus CD is equal to 200 root 3. That is CD is equal to 200 root 3 minus 200. Here 200 is common, take outside. So, 200 into root 3 minus 1. Remember what is the value of root 3? Yes, it is 1.732 minus 1. All should study the value of root 3, that is 1.732. So, if we subtract, we get 1.732 minus 1, which is 7.732. 0.732. Now multiply these two, we get 146.4 meter. So CD is equal to 146.4 meter. That is, the distance covered by the boat in 10 seconds is 146.4 meter. That is, the distance covered by a boat in 10 seconds is 146.4 meter. But our question is find the speed of the boat in kilometer per hour. So already we know the relationship between speed, distance and time. So the relationship is given, speed is equal to distance by time. So speed is equal to distance by time. Now substitute the values, distance, that is the distance covered in 10 seconds, that is CD. The value of CD is 146.4 meter. Then time is 10 seconds. So if we divide 146.4 divided by 10, we get 14.64 meter per second. So the speed is given by 14.64 meter per second. But the actual question is we find the speed in kilometer per hour. So we convert meter into kilometer. So 1 kilometer is how many meter? Yes, 1 kilometer is 1000 meter. 1 hour is equal to how many seconds? Yes, 1 hour is equal to 3600 seconds. So for converting meter into kilometer divided by 1000. So 14.64 divided by 1000. Then we convert per second into per hour. So we multiply by 3600. Then 0 get cancelled. If we divide 14.64 by 10, that is 1.464 into 36. So if we multiply, it will give us the answer 52.704 kilometer per hour. Therefore, the speed of the boat is 52.704 kilometer per hour according to our question. Let's see how to solve problems involving angle of elevation and depression. Look at this question. The angle of elevation of the top of a cell phone tower is from the foot of a high apartment is 60 degree, and the angle of the depression of the foot of the tower from the top of the apartment is 30 degree. If the height of the apartment is 50 meter, find the height of the cell phone tower. According to radiation control norms, the minimum height of a cell phone tower should be 120 meter. State if the height of the above mentioned cell phone tower meets the radiation norms. So this question is involving both angle of elevation and depression. So first we draw a diagram. Here I draw a diagram. Here AB represent the apartment and CD is the cell phone tower. So what is given? Let AB be the apartment and CD be the cell phone tower. Now look at the angles given in the question. The angle of elevation is 60 degree from the foot of the apartment to the top of the tower. So this is angle CBD is 60 degree. So this is angle of elevation. Next, the angle of depression. The angle of depression from A to the base of the tower. A is the point of observation and he looking down. So this angle. So from point of observation we draw a horizontal line AE. which is horizontal parallel to BD. So the angle EAD is 30 degree. So by interior alternate angle, the angle BDA is also 30 degree. So from the diagram, write the angles first. What is the angle? Angle CBD is 60 degree and the angle EAD is equal to angle ADB is 30 degree. Now what is the question? Find the height of the cell phone tower. So we take the entire height of the cell phone tower is h, that is CD is equal to h. So let CD is equal to h meters. Also given the height of the apartment is 50 meter, that is AB is equal to 50 meter. So AB is equal to 50 meter means DE also 50. So the height EC is h minus 50. So this is h minus 50. So what is given? Given AB is equal to 50 meter. Also from the diagram we write ED also 50 meter and EC is h minus 50 meter. Now look at the right angle triangle. So first we look at the right angle triangle ABD. So this is right angle. This is 90 degree. This also 90 degree. So first we look at the right angle ABD. In right triangle ABD, using the trigonometric ratio tan. So what is tan? 30 degree. Here theta is 30. So tan 30 is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. So from the diagram, what is the opposite side? Yes, AB is the opposite side. And what is the adjacent side? BD is the adjacent side. So what is the value of tan 30 degree? We well know tan 30 is 1 by root 3. So substitute this. 1 by root 3 is equal to AB by BD. AB is equal to 50 by BD. Now cross multiply, we get BD is equal to 50 root 3 meter. So we take this as equation 1. To find the height of the tower. So let's consider the next right angle triangle CDB. This is 90 degree. So in right angle triangle CDB, here we need to find the opposite side. So we use the ratio tan. So tan, what is the angle? The given angle is 60 degree. So tan 60 degree is equal to opposite side, that is CD, by adjacent side. So adjacent side is BD. Substitute the values. Tan 60. What is tan 60? Which is root 3. Then CD. We take CD as h. So h by BD. So by cross multiply, BD is equal to, we get h by root 3 meter. This is equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. Here the left hand sides are equal, so equating the right hand side. So from equation 1 and 2, we get h by root 3 is equal to 50 root 3. So we need to find the value of h. So bring root 3 in the right hand side. So h is equal to 50 root 3 into root 3. That is 50 into root 3 is 3. So h is equal to 150 meter. So what is h? That is the height of the cell phone tower. Therefore, the height of the cell phone tower is 150 meter. But but the question is, state if the height of the above mentioned cell phone tower meets the radiation norms. So according to the radiation norms, the cell phone tower should be 120 meter. The minimum height of the tower should be 120 meter. So minimum means the height should be greater than or equal to 120. Here the height is 150 meter. So this is greater than 120. So the height of the cell phone tower meets the radiation norm. Hence the height of the cell phone tower meets the radiation norms. That's our answer. Next question. If the angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above the lake is theta 1 and the angle of depression of its reflection in the lake is theta 2. Prove that the height that the cloud is located from the ground is h into tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. So here what is given? The angle of elevation of a cloud from a point h meters above the lake is theta 1. So first we draw a diagram. It is given a lake. So we take AB as the surface of the lake. AB is the surface of the lake. Then a point which is h meters above the lake. So here I take a point O which is h meters above the surface of the lake. This is O, such that OA is h meters. Next, let C be the position of the cloud as seen from O. So this is the position of the cloud as seen from O, and take this reflection is C dash. Now joining CB C dash. C is the cloud, C dash is reflection. Then what is given? The angle of elevation from O to the cloud is theta 1. So O is the point of observation. So from O draw a horizontal line. It is parallel to AB. Mark this as D. So join the line of sight. This is angle of elevation. So it is looking up. So this is theta 1. Also given the angle of depression from O is to its reflection is theta 2. That is from O to C dash, the angle of depression that is looking down. So this is theta 2. Now here you can see a rectangle. So OA is h meter means DB also h meters. And we take the distance CD as x. So first write the values. So let what is AB? Yes, AB is the surface of the lake. Let AB be the surface of the and O be the point of observation. Point of observation such that OA is equal to h meters. Then C and C dash. What is C? Yes, this is position of the cloud. So C be the positions of the cloud as seen from O. And what is C dash? Yes, C dash is reflection. Be its reflection in the lake. Now write the angles. The first one is the angle of elevation, that is the angle COD is theta 1 and the angle DOC dash is theta 2. We know the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake is equal to its reflection in the lake, that is BC is equal to BC dash. So the length BC is x plus h, so BC dash is also x plus h. So BC is equal to BC dash is equal to x plus h. Now solve. Now we get two right angles triangle COD and ODC. This is 90 degree. Okay. Now let's see, first consider which triangle? Yes, we consider the right triangle ODO. So in right angle triangle CDO, consider the ratio tan. So tan, here theta is theta 1. So tan theta 1. What is the formula for tan theta? Yes, again that is opposite side by adjacent side. So from the diagram, opposite side is CD and the adjacent side is OD. Substitute the values. Tan theta 1 is equal to x by OD. Cross multiply, OD is equal to x by tan theta 1. This is equation 1. Next, consider the next right angle triangle. What is the next triangle? Yes, ODC dash. So in right angled triangle ODC dash, consider tan theta. So tan, here the angle is theta 2, that is the angle of depression given theta 2. So tan theta 2 is opposite side by adjacent side. So opposite side is DC dash and the adjacent side is OD, that is opposite DC dash, adjacent side is OD. Now substitute the values. Tan theta 2 is equal to, what is DC dash? DC dash, that is h plus x plus h, that is h plus x plus h divided by OD. Cross multiply, OD is equal to h plus x plus h divided by tan theta 2. H plus h we get 2h. So OD is equal to 2h plus x divided by tan theta 2. This is equation 2. Now compare equation 1 and 2. So the left hand sides are equal, so equating the right hand side. So from 1 and 2 we get x by tan theta 1 is equal to 2h plus x divided by tan theta 2. Then cross multiply, we get x tan theta 2 is equal to 2h plus x into tan theta 1, that is x tan theta 2 is equal to, multiply tan theta inside. So we get 2h tan theta 1 plus x into tan theta 1. So solve for x, bring the x quantity in the left hand side. So x tan theta 2, this plus becomes minus. So minus x tan theta 1 is equal to 2h tan theta 1. So here x is common, take outside. So tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 is equal to 2h tan theta 1. So from this we write the value of x, which is equal to 2h tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Now let's see what is want to prove. We need to prove the height of the cloud from the surface of the lake is we have to prove. So, find the height of the cloud is located from the ground which is equal to, from the diagram, which is equal to BC, that is x plus h. Now substitute the values in x plus h. What is the value of x? We already find the value of x. What is the value of x? That is 2h tan theta 1 by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. So 2h tan theta 1 by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 plus h. Simplify, we get 2h tan theta plus height into tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1, that is 2h tan theta 1 multiply with h. So we get h tan theta 2 minus h tan theta 1 by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. That is, now grouping the like terms, that is h and tan theta term. So 2h tan theta 1 minus 1h tan theta 1. So 2 minus 1, 1. So 1h tan theta 1 plus h tan theta 2. This is divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Take h's outside. So we get h into tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta. That is, we need to prove. So the height of the cloud is located from the ground is given by h into tan theta 1 plus tan theta 2 divided by tan theta 2 minus tan theta 1. Hence the problem. Hence it is proved. I hope now you are understood the concept, height and distances. Practice more problems and do all the problems in the exercise as well as in the assignment. Thank you, children.